Hey y'all, here's how to make these flower fairy light jars for spring. I'm using a 16-ounce jar, some Mod Podge, and then these little pressed flowers I got off Amazon. So you'll start by just painting a small area with Mod Podge onto your jar. Now you can use tweezers to pick up the flowers. They are a little fragile, and just place them onto the jar, or you can also just use your fingers. Sometimes it's easier to use your fingers than it is to use the tweezers. And then we're just going to keep adding a little bit of Mod Podge at a time and pressing on more flowers. I only do small areas of Mod Podge at a time because it usually dries too quickly before I can place all of my flowers, so I just do a little bit at a time. But if your Mod Podge does dry before you can place your flowers, it's not a big deal. You can just add a little bit more Mod Podge to it. If your flowers or leaves have stems on them, they may not lay down properly, so what I do is just place a little flower over it and then cover that in a little bit of Mod Podge. So once you have all of your flowers placed, you can just gently go over each of your flowers with Mod Podge, and this will seal them onto the jar and keep them protected. Now you can just set this aside and let all the Mod Podge dry. It will dry clear once it's finished. And here's a little time lapse just showing that process. So this is how the jar looks once it's completely dry. So I like to add a little twine string around it and make a little simple bow, but this is optional. So the final step is adding these fairy lights. I got them off of Amazon. You're just going to bunch them up and stick them down the jar and try to lay your battery pack flat down the jar. Mine was kind of at an angle, so you can see it a little bit from the back, but it's not super noticeable, especially from the front. And so now the jar is complete. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions.